that I appreciate him, I love him, and all of that. So that's just something we do. Of course, he's working on something for me, but right now, is what I got so far. But so there's definitely more things coming up. I'm so freaking excited for all the things that's going to transpire. So a week from today, I'll be leaving to go to Jamaica and my birthday trip. Woo! Virgo season. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm definitely excited. If you guys are wondering, like, I'm recording from my phone. I'm sorry, I don't have a laptop and things of that sort yet. But this will do for right now. I am just so excited. I wrote a poem for my guy back in May. So I wanted to share that with you guys and just share this assignment. This is our journey. First of the many steps that we have to go through. Definitely, like, I'm so excited, so excited to see him. I hope you guys are doing great today. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday. I'm just so excited, sharing my love. Yeah, I feel so good. I'm very good in spirits. In a couple of hours I have to go to work, but you know, what can you do? Not too much, right? So I'm gonna get into this video. I won't be before you guys long. As I told you guys, I gotta go to work and everything. So I definitely won't be before you guys long. I just want to share some things with you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with a friend. Definitely, there'll definitely be more poetry, more freestyles coming in the near future. And just me being goofy and doing what I do. So here we go. This poem is called My King to Be. When I think of you, my heart smiles, and that has to be the definition of love, right? Like, what could be a better example? The sound of your voice makes me calm, thinking of my roots. This must be how my ancestors felt when they found the North Star, knowing that freedom was near. My God, where have you been all of my years? I've been looking for you like a young child searching for their identity. I finally found my love, and only one who could ever break our spirits is us. I want to say I love you, but statistics say it's no such thing as true love or love at first sight, but they don't know what we have. Already connected, and through your eyes I can see your soul, and I know it has to be as pure as the night is day. I must admit, I have been hurt before, and my heart is still in shock. But with you, I feel I can put my guard down, open my heart, and love you more than your mother loved you when she first laid eyes on your beautiful soul. I want to be your love, your best friend, your first and only wife, and the mother of all your kids. If this is love, I want all of it, not just a glimpse of lovely things we see on TV. I want real love that's so pure only God's hands could ever break our love. So, my king, can I count on you to present this type of love to me? If so, I'm yours forever, my king to be. So that was definitely in the beginning of our relationship. We've been talking since the middle of April. So it's been a few months, and it's definitely progress since then. He's such an awesome person. I can't wait till you guys see him and get to just vibe on him like I will be vibing on him. You feel me? So I'm just so excited. See, I can't even talk. I'm just so happy. I'm so excited for the things to come. Definitely. So I dyed my hair. This is the color of my hair for my birthday. Red is also my favorite color. So I'm definitely excited for the things that are to come in our relationship, our journey. I also am losing weight, so my weight loss journey. podcast. We'll definitely be having freestyles. I freestyle, he freestyle. So we're definitely, it's so much stuff to look forward to. And I want you guys to stay tuned with me. Come with me along on my journey just through everyday life. You know, I know things are put in front of you to just like stop you and block you, because there is a process just talking to anybody out of the country. So I love my love. And from my king to you guys, I hope you are doing great. I encourage you to stay encouraged, be encouraged, encourage yourself. Don't wait to live your life. Live your life today. Fuck a hater. We don't got no time for them, no space, no energy, no kind of opportunity for haters. We keep them on their toes because they're just people who ain't got time for other shit, you know? What else they gonna do but hate on us? So, I hope you guys are doing great today. I'm just in a wonderful mood, and let's seal it with a leaf. So, from me to you, be blessed. Stay on top of your A game. Stay focused. Love one another, which is really hard to do, but love your neighbor. Learn to love your neighbor, man. And just be great. Enjoy life. Fuck a hater. And just be you. What else to be, right? It's your girl, Queen Mo, and I'm signing out. Peace.